Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best teeth whitening kits that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Crest 3D White Strip Sensitive At-Home Teeth Whitening Kit. This product is specifically designed for those with sensitive teeth, offering a gentle yet effective whitening process that removes up to 15 years of stains in just 2 weeks. It uses the same enamel-safe hydrogen peroxide formula found in professional dental treatments, so you can feel confident about its safety and results. The design of the strips is straightforward and user-friendly. They adhere well to your teeth, thanks to Crest's advanced seal technology, which ensures the strips stay in place without slipping. This means you can go about your day, whether you're talking or sipping water, while the strips work their magic. However, with only 18 treatments included, it does fall short compared to other options that offer more sessions at the same price point. This kit is an excellent choice for individuals with sensitive teeth who want a reliable, dentist-approved solution. It's also accepted by the American Dental Association, which adds to its credibility. However, the limited number of treatments and higher sensitivity-focused design may not offer the dramatic results for those looking for accelerated whitening. Pros include its gentle formulation and ADA acceptance, while the cons are the slightly fewer treatments and slower results compared to stronger solutions. Coming in at number 4 is the iSmile Teeth Whitening Kit. This kit combines a 35% carbamide peroxide whitening gel with an LED activation light to deliver professional-grade whitening results in the comfort of your home. The kit includes 3 whitening gel syringes, a universal silicone mouth tray, and a remineralization gel to protect your enamel after each session. With up to 22 treatments in one box, this is a comprehensive solution for anyone looking to brighten their smile. The design of the iSmile kit is thoughtful and functional. The universal fit of the mouth tray ensures that it works for most users without the need for messy molding. The LED light features easy-breathe vents for comfort and is powered by included batteries, making it ready to use right out of the box. Each session takes just 10 minutes, making it perfect for busy individuals who want quick results without sacrificing effectiveness. While the iSmile kit delivers impressive results, especially for coffee, wine, and tobacco stains, it may not be ideal for those with extremely sensitive teeth, despite the inclusion of a remineralization gel. Pros include its fast-acting formula, ease of use, and the inclusion of a desensitizing gel, while cons are its lack of availability at a consistent price point and potential for mild sensitivity during use. At number 3, we have the White Bite Pro Teeth Whitening Kit. This product offers a premium-grade whitening experience, combining 35% carbamide peroxide gel with a powerful LED accelerator light to help you achieve up to 9 shades whiter teeth in as little as 7 days. What sets this kit apart is its focus on being gentle and safe for sensitive teeth, thanks to the included remineralization gel that restores and protects enamel after each treatment. The design of the White Bite Pro is modern and travel-friendly. The LED light is wireless, rechargeable, and equipped with a 16-minute auto timer, making it incredibly convenient for whitening on the go. The compact design ensures it fits seamlessly into your daily routine, and the mess-free application is a bonus for those with busy schedules. The kit includes everything you need: whitening gel, a desensitizing gel pen, a universal mouth tray, and the LED light. While the White Bite Pro excels in convenience and effectiveness, it is on the pricier side, and some users may find the gel application process slightly fiddly at first. Pros include its wireless design, fast results, and sensitivity-friendly formulation, while cons are its higher price point and potential learning curve for first-time users. Coming in at number 2 is the Coeo Teeth Whitening Kit. This kit offers a professional-grade whitening experience with a 35% carbamide peroxide gel that promises to whiten teeth by up to 10 shades in just 7 days. The inclusion of 2 desensitizing gel pens ensures that it's safe for sensitive teeth and helps reduce any post-treatment discomfort. What sets the Coeo kit apart is its LED whitening technology with an auto timer. The blue LED light enhances the whitening process, and the BPA-free silicone tray provides a comfortable and secure fit. The 10-minute auto shut-off feature is a nice touch for busy users who want a hassle-free, hands-free whitening experience. Additionally, the inclusion of 3 whitening pens and 2 desensitizing pens means you're getting a complete 24 to 32-day whitening cycle, making it a great value for the price. While the Koeo kit offers an impressive combination of value, performance, and safety, it may not be the best choice for users who prefer a simpler strip-based application. Pros include its fast results, desensitizing pens, and user-friendly LED design, while cons are its slightly more involved application process and the lack of a consistent price point. And finally, at number 1, we have the Crest 3D Wide Strips Professional Effects Teeth Whitening Kit. This product is a fan favorite for a reason. It delivers results comparable to a $400 professional whitening treatment, all for an affordable price of $29.99. With 22 treatments included, you get plenty of opportunities to achieve the dazzling smile you've been dreaming of. Crest's advanced seal technology ensures the strips stay firmly in place, allowing you to talk, drink water, or go about your routine while whitening your teeth. Each treatment involves applying 1 upper and 1 lower strip, and the hydrogen peroxide formula effectively removes years of stains from coffee, tea, wine, and more. The results are noticeable, with teeth becoming up to 19 shades whiter over the course of the treatment. This kit is ideal for those who want a no-fuss, highly effective whitening solution. Its main drawback is that users with sensitive teeth might find it slightly intense, and it doesn't include desensitizing gel. However, the pros, affordability, professional-level results, and ease of use far outweigh the cons, making it our top pick. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.